All new this morning, getting ready for the holidays can be stressful for any family, right? It requires extra care, though, if a family member has Alzheimer's. First News reporter Simone Blair is live in the newsroom now with advice to balancing everything, especially during a pandemic. Simone.
That's right, Chelsea. There are many families in the Valley that are dealing with this problem right now, both having to prepare for the holidays and care for their loved one with Alzheimer's disease. Both in Pennsylvania and Ohio, there are estimated over 200,000 people who have Alzheimer's. And the executive director of the Alzheimer's Association of Greater East Ohio tells me that there are many ways to make sure the holiday is still as comfortable and safe as possible for them. Cheryl Konetsky says open communication is key, especially if some family members haven't seen the person with Alzheimer's recently. She says having clear dialogue will help the family set expectations.
Before the holiday even starts, talk about what the caregiving situation is so that everybody understands the loved one who has the memory loss, what their situation is. So there's no surprises and everybody's very aware of the challenges that the caregiver might be facing.
Konetsky says holidays are challenging, but the COVID-19 pandemic is adding to the difficulty. Let's take a look at some additional tips she gave First News. First, Konetsky says families may need to rethink their holiday traditions. Some of the favorite things they do over the holidays may not be possible for their loved one. But she says it's still important to involve your loved one in holiday tasks. They could help prepare the meal or wrap presents, even if they can't get on a ladder to hang lights anymore. Third, Konetsky says some people with Alzheimer's may have difficulty with social distancing and hand washing. In that case, or to protect each other from COVID-19 in general, families might need to consider a technology-based Christmas through Zoom or some other platform. Lastly, Konetsky encourages family to call the Alzheimer's Association helpline. That's at the number on the screen in case they're feeling stressed. It's available 24/7, and she says they can help you come up with a plan for your specific situation. Konetsky tells me they are getting a lot of questions from families who have a loved one in assisted living or some other kind of care facility. For those families, she encourages them to call the staff and see what might be possible either virtually or in person. Live in the newsroom, Simone Blair, First News This Morning.